Welcome back at PlanetDriving, and as you can see, I'm in Le Mans. And even though there's no racing going on currently, it's such a special place to be. I feel so excited to have a look around, and I would like to take you with me, and you know, we can figure out what we can do. There must be something cool. So now I'm right at the track actually. You see that's the end of start-finish line, and we're actually close to the Dunlop Bridge, which we broke up now. And I can tell you, being on a racetrack when there is no noise, like silent, is actually almost, no, it's not as cool as when there is some race going on, but it has this kind of aura hanging on here, and you just imagine in your head having the cars blazing down, and it's just such a legendary place to be, and I can highly recommend to have a visit here. And it's amazing, like how close we are. We are actually, there are just some stone steps here, and there's nothing between except of the fence and some tire barriers. It's like 50 meters away, the track. So it's rather close compared to some other modern tracks. So yeah, let's walk around a bit. So now we are at the grandstands of the first chicane coming up here, and from here you have a beautiful view going back to the main straight and over the hill. It's quite what you don't see in TV. There's quite a lot of elevation.